This quick full body stretch is to increase flexibility, release any tension and tightness, and calm the mind. Let's begin in child's pose. So come into your child's pose, very mindfully and gently. And once you feel the full stretch, take a deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. And do that 2 more times at your own pace. On the next inhale, walk your hands back towards your knees, coming to an upright spine, straight spine. And bring your hands, palms facing up, on top of your thighs, your knees. Close down your eyes. And drop your head, center, and then bring it to one side. If it suits you to do a full neck roll, I invite you to enjoy your full neck roll. But if it suits you best just to take the chin from one side and then back to center and then to the opposite side. Listen to your body intuition, moving with your breath to release any tension and tightness so that you are creating a calm, peaceful mind. If you're doing a full neck roll, next time you come to center, take it the opposite way. The next time the head comes to center, relax it there, and then inhale to a straight back. Inhale the arms down, around, and up, high above you. And exhale the hands through center in front of the heart center. And do this 3 more times at your own pace. The next time the hands come to heart center, release them down, palms facing up again on top of the thighs, pausing there a moment. And then take the palms facing down and inhale, shrug your shoulders high up to your ears. Exhale, release. Inhale up, exhale down. Move with your breath. You can move quickly or slowly. Honor your body intuition. On the next inhale, shrug the shoulders high up to the ears, and with a deep, deep inhale, hold the breath. Exhale, sigh it out of the mouth and release. Bring your legs out in front of you. We're going to move into a forward seated fold. Extend the legs as straight as is comfortable for you. Relax the feet. Come to a straight spine. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, just tuck the chin into the chest. Allow the head, the neck, and the shoulders to come forward. Walking the hands down the legs towards the feet. And once you reach that point of resistance, relax into the fold. Using long, deep inhale with a long, deep exhale. On the next inhale, roll the spine up, one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight back. And then bring the soles of the feet together into this lovely butterfly pose. And once you find how far away you want your heels to be from your sit bones, take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, folding forward, one vertebrae at a time. Allowing the hands to rest around the toes, the shins, the ankles, whatever serves you. And completely release and relax into the pose. On the next inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to an upright seated position. Bring the knees together. We're going to move into figure 4. So in your figure 4, take your right ankle up and over across the left thigh. Extend the hands as far back as it feels comfortable to you, or as close to the body. Once you find that point of resistance, close down your eyes, relax into the breath. Letting go of any tension and tightness. And with the breath, cultivating a calm mind, a gentle spirit, a relaxed spirit. On the next inhale, gently release the pose. And you can windshield wiper the knees if that feels appropriate for you. Bringing this stretch, this openness into the hips, the legs. And when you're ready, coming to the opposite side. So if you did the right foot first, take the left foot up and over the top of the right knee, the thigh. And once you find that point of resistance, close down the eyes, relax into your breath, long, deep breathing. then gently release the pose. Windshield wiper the legs again if that feels intuitively comfortable for you. And then extend the legs out into a V position, into this lovely dragonfly-like pose. And with a straight back, take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, coming forward. Releasing, relaxing into the pose. And then inhaling, rolling up to a straight spine. Crossing the legs, whichever way it feels most comfortable for you. Bring the hands down at your sides and inhale the arms up. And exhale, one hand down and the other hand and arm up and over, stretching to one side. Inhale to center. And exhale over to the opposite side. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to the first side again. Inhale back to center. And exhale to the opposite side. Inhale back to center. And this time, come forward. Exhale forward. And tuck the chin into the chest. Extending the arms out in front of you. Release into this lovely stretch. Take a deep inhale and exhale out of the mouth. Do that 2 more times at your own pace. And then gently on the next inhale, walk your hands back towards your legs. Rest your palms facing up on top of your knees. And you can have your eyes open or close and gently shake your head from the left to the right. No. No to anything that creates any tension and tightness or stress in your body, your mind, and your spirit. And you can move quickly or slowly. And then bring the head to center and shake your head up and down. Yes, to what it is that you choose to bring in so that you can have the calm mind, the peaceful spirit, so that you can release and let go of the tension and the tightness and enjoy the new flexibility physically, mentally, and emotionally. And gently bring the head to center. If the eyes are not closed, close them down. Just pause here a moment to receive all the benefits of your full body stretch, this full yoga body stretch. enjoy the way you feel now. And with a big smile on your face, bring your hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Bow your head to your heart, honoring yourself for taking the time to practice today. And bowing towards one another. Namaste.